G'day Australia, I'm Coram Ellis here today for the DIY-cademy at Audiocom Mobile Electronics in Balcatta. And what we've got going on here today is, stop dropping it, a JVC, Apple CarPlay Android Auto unit, plug and play for Subaru and Nissan. Now this is unique to Universal Fuse and Audiocom. We build these up with a custom plug and play interface that will attach to a lot of Nissan and Subaru vehicles. It's a list on the website. This one in particular is a Nissan Pathfinder. Now, unfortunately this one's a bit of a mess because somebody put a Parrot kit in a long time ago and they hacked the shit out of things. But they've still left the original factory harness on, which is the important bit. Now this plug is the same for a lot of late model Nissans and Subarus. And if you want to get yourself a really quick and easy Apple CarPlay Android Auto upgrade with the unique Universal Fuse plug and play adapter pre-installed, so this will literally just plug in and you're done. That's the install's finished. Plug it, mount it, done. I'll show you this completed in a minute. You will have this done in under 10 minutes. I kid you not. It's absolutely amazing. Check out the website for a list of compatible vehicles. Navara, D40, Navara, D22, Navara, no, not D22, D40. Anyway, the list is on there. Pathfinder, of course, handful of Subaru vehicles, WRXs, Liberties, all sorts. So check it out and get yourself Apple CarPlay Android Auto from a great quality Japanese brand and get yourself safer, more legal and better connected on the road. All right, and here we are, all finished. Now, this literally took 10 minutes. I'll show you how it's done. This panel just pops away. Simply pops away, no fasteners from the bottom or the top, whichever you can get a tool into easier. Then there's 4 fasteners that hold in the factory bracket. Those brackets come off, you dismount them from the factory bracket and bolt them onto the new JVC unit, then clip it back in, completely plug and play. And you have Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Now this includes the connection to the steering wheel control interface. You do have to manually program, just follow the instructions in the user manual on how to do that, but we've already linked that up for you. So as you can see there, steering wheel control interface is all connected. You just need to go through the programming sequence, which we can't pre-do in store because we don't know which car it's for until you fit it. So you just follow the user manual instructions on how to configure the steering wheel controls, and then you're completely done. Plug and play. Mount the microphone in the middle, above the rear view mirror there. It's the microphones can perform a little bit better in the middle of the car, and they also, it's a better position in case your passenger wants to speak through the Bluetooth hands-free. So there you have it. Plug and play Apple CarPlay Android Auto upgrade for Nissan and Subaru, completely plug and play. Includes antenna adapter, vehicle side adapter, steering wheel control interface, all pre-wired, pre-configured, 100% plug and play to make it easy for you to DIY at home. Check out the website, universalfuse.com.au, or drop into Audiocom stores in Western Australia where this is available for you to collect at any time. In stock. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you again soon.